Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Nokia 5.3. So first, power our phone. And then go into Wi-Fi. And first thing, the easiest one, just disable and enable the Wi-Fi. Next thing is to not only disable and enable, but enable the airplane mode. Wait a couple of seconds and then disable it. This would restart our Wi-Fi. I need to wait till it's loaded. Now go into our Wi-Fi and disconnect with it and try to connect once again. If it's still not working, then disconnect, forget the Wi-Fi, wait for it to load, and it was this. Yeah, I don't know which one. Oh, yes, this one. Type in the password, connect, and if it's still not working, then try to restart the router and your phone, but I don't have router near me, so I won't do it. But you should just go into the router, unplug it from the charger, and plug once again. And the same with your phone, just disable it, just power off and on. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.